Gradient blur. You can find the gradient blur here on the filters, blur, and gradient blur. As the name suggests, gradient blur gradually blurs a layer between 2 points. Gradient blur consists of these parameters. So we have 2 points on our gradient blur. We have the point 1, which is on the left side, and the point 2 here on the right side. Amount, is the total amount of blur and mix to turn on and turn off the filter itself. Now let's look at the point. Here on our example, you can see the point 1, there's no blur on this side, while point 2 is fully blurred. Possible usage of gradient blur. I have my 2 image here. Let's apply a gradient blur. Here on my image, we can create like a blur foreground and sharp background. Similar to this, we have the foreground blurred and the background sharp. Let's look at another example. For this image, let's add another gradient blur. Then let's make again the foreground blurred. So this is an example on how to use the gradient blur.